Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Daikin error code 00 is a common sign on your air conditioner display. It actually means the system thinks everything is running normally. You might see this when you try to find a fault code. It shows up when no specific error is detected. However, your unit might still have issues. First, check your remote control batteries. Old batteries cause signal problems. Replace them with fresh ones. Next, try to reset your system. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker. Wait for at least 5 minutes. This clears the internal memory. Turn the power back on and test the unit. If the code stays at 00 and it still does not cool, check your air filters. Dirty filters block airflow and cause trouble. Clean or replace them if they look dusty. Also, look at the outdoor unit. Make sure no leaves or trash block the vents. Sometimes the sensor gets stuck. You can try to cycle through the modes on your remote. Switch from cool to fan and back again. If these steps do not work, you may have a hidden board failure. A professional technician can run a deeper diagnostic test. They check the refrigerant levels and electrical parts. Most of the time, a simple hard reset fixes the 00 display. It forces the computer to scan for new errors. Keep your unit clean for the best results. Following these basic steps usually restores your cold air quickly. Do not ignore a system that feels warm even with this code. Regular maintenance prevents these confusing display messages from appearing in the first place.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.